Hello friend, welcome to our channel. Today we will learn about the factorization of polynomial expression in on other type. Like this type is related to like we have few multiply factor expression like x plus a, x minus b and x plus b and x minus d. So we have to here make a formula of x square minus a square and x square minus b square plus k formula. So here we will follow. Hello friend, welcome to our channel. Today we will learn about the factorization of polynomial expression. We have we have already covered multiple type of polynomial expression. Today we have covered another type which is related to multiply expression or terms like in a way so we can make a difference of two square formula here. So you can see the example like we have x plus a and x minus a and we have x plus b and x minus b. So here we have make x square and a square and x square and minus b square. So then after that we will simplify using this type of method. So today here we cover 4.3 question number 3 which is related to this type of question. You can follow any book, any question if you have like these type of question, so you can apply this method on that question. So now before starting the video, please subscribe our channel and like and share with others so that they can learn about type of factorization, and you will learn more concept from our upcoming video. So now we start chapter number unit 4.3 and question number 3. In question number 3 we have a few parts like 6 part. Today we will cover I think 3 or 4 parts here, and you can easily solve other parts by using same method. Now part 1 is x2, x minus 3 and x plus 2, x plus 3 minus 2x square, right? Now we have to first arrange these terms. Arranging, why? Because first we have to make the difference of two square method. So this one is similar and this part is similar. Minus 2x square, right? Now we will solve like x square minus 2 to the 4 square, and this one is x square 3 square and this minus 2x square. Now we have x square minus 4 and this one is x square minus 9 minus 2x square. We will give the reference here. A square minus b square equals to a plus b, a minus b, right? Now we will multiply these terms. X to power 4 minus 9x square minus 4x square minus minus plus 9 6 are 36, 9 4 sorry 9 4 the, and this term is minus 2x square. Now we have to simplify like again minus 13x square plus 36 minus 2x square, right? Now we have x4 minus 15x square plus 36, right? Now we have to make a formula here, or we can first we will check the do we have the middle term break method here. 36, right? Now 36 multiply, if we divide like this way, so we get the 15 multiplied by 3, so we get the answer is 36. So these are the factor of this expression, and we have the sign is minus here. So x to the power 4 minus 12x square minus 3x square plus 36. Now we will take common x square minus 12 minus 3 x square minus 12 here. So common is x square minus 12 and x square minus 3 is here. So again we have to further want to solve it further. So here we will make like 12 is divided by 2, 6 are 12, 2 3s are 14. So sorry, 2 3s are 6. So 3 1s are 3. So here we have right 2 root 3 the whole square of this term. We will make we will simplify like we want to like apply a square minus b square formula here. So we will write like this way 2 multiply by root 3 and whole square. So this term is, if we solve this term, so this will be this term. So now again we have this term, so we will put like this way 3 root 3 whole square. So this is again the method to solve a factor of this term. Like now we have to make like a square minus b square, and this is also a square minus b square. So this one is x plus 2 root 3 and x plus sorry minus 2 root 3 and x plus root 3 and x minus root 3. So these are the factor of this. Actually we want to make like linear equation, linear expression in all factor. So that's why we make this expression into like this way 2 root 3 upon 3. So we want to apply here a formula a square minus b square. And we will cover next other question, so you will learn more about what we can do. We are solving now part 2, x minus 1, x plus 1, x plus 3, x minus 3, minus 3x square and minus 23, right? Now we have like this. First we will make appear is x square minus 1 and x square minus 9, right? So a square, a minus b, a plus b, and this is a plus b and a minus b. So we will give here a reference a minus b multiplied by a plus b equals to a square minus b square, and this one is minus 3 square 3x square and 23, right? Now we will multiply x to the power 4 9x square minus x square minus minus plus 9 minus 3x square minus 23, right? Now we have x4 minus 10x square minus 3x square plus 9 minus 23. x4, this one is minus 13x square, and if we minus 9 minus, the answer is minus 24, both minus 14 here, right? Now we will make a factor of it. 14 1 the 14, 14 1 the 14. Now we have minus sign here and plus sign here, so these are the factor of this term, like 14x square plus x square minus 14. Now we will give by factoring the term. Now we have to further simplify, like common is x square, here is common is 1, x square minus 14, right? Now we have x square plus 1 and x square minus 14 here. Now we have to make, okay, now we have this is x square plus 1, and this one is x square minus root 14 whole square. Actually we want to make like this term in a linear form. So here we have 14 or x minus root 14 x. So these are the factor of this question. Another question is question number part 3. Part 3 is x minus 1, x plus 1, x minus 3, x plus 3, and plus 4x square, right? Now we will arrange uh, using this formula. We have this one a minus b and a plus b. This one is a minus b and a plus b, right? So now we have x square minus 9 plus 4x to power square. Now we have a minus b, a plus b equals to a square minus b square. Again solve this question. X to power 4 minus 9x square minus 1x square minus minus plus 9 plus 4x square. So we have x4. This one is minus 10x square plus 4x square plus 9. So x4. This one is minus 6x square plus 9, right? So now we have 9. So 3 3s are 9. So these are the factor of this one. Minus 3x. Sorry. This one is also minus 3x square plus 9. Right? Now we have question number. Sorry. We will take common from here. So square is common, x square minus 3 is remaining, and minus 3 is common is x square minus 3 is common. So here we have x square minus 3, and again we have x square minus 3, right? So if we will make factor of this, so first we will like write like this way, root 3 whole square. Again we have x square root 3 whole square, and we will see x plus root 3, x minus root 3, x plus root 3, and x minus root, right? So these are the factor of this question, right? Now part 4. In part 4 are basically x minus 2, x plus 2, x minus 4, x plus 4, and minus 14x square. Okay, this question I'm solving very quickly, so you can see this. Or you can write like 32 to so here we will write like this, right? Now we have to make formula a square minus b square, a square minus b square, so x 2 x plus root 2 divided by x minus 4 root 2 divided by x plus 4 root 2. So these are the question of factor of this question. I hope you understand. Now part 5 and are similar to part 3 and 4, so you can solve it by yourself. And now we will subscribe our channel and share with others so they can learn how we can solve factorization of method using this formula. Or if you are for class, you are studying in class 9 syntax book, so you can follow these playlists. So these are basically examples are covered in class 9 syntax book, right? So thank you for watching. Bye bye and take care. Allah Hafiz.